Hi everyone, thank you for watching Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. I'm your host, Darnell, and the Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Products Association. We evaluate toy and baby products manufacturers based on 5 main criteria. That includes product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility. To give you a deeper understanding of the certified supplier, we're going to visit Silverlit Toys. We're here today at their factory. It is so huge, it's so amazing, and I love it. We're gonna see how they operate, and I want you to join me and follow me inside. Let's go. All right, let me just give you a little bit of introduction about Silverlit Toys Company. It was founded in Hong Kong in 1977, and that is like more than 4 decades ago. And their plant moved to Dongguan in 1987. And they have more than 2,000 employees. And since its establishment, Silverlit Toys has always adhered to its own brand and focused on developing high-tech toys. Its products are well known globally overseas. They're known as to be the creative and technological toys, and there are hundreds of R&D staff in Hong Kong and here in Dongguan, in France, and in the United States. We are now at the manufacturing center of Silverlit Toys, and this is where you will find how electric plastic toys are made in the production line. They follow a standard production process and strict quality management systems. These are one of the most important evaluation criteria for certified suppliers. And as you can see, I'm here right now, and everything just looks amazing. I can see, can you follow me? What I can see here is the product line / assembly line, if I'm not mistaken. You can see the quality of how they produce these toys. So amazing, huh? All right, we are now at the pad printing department. I was so amazed because I was told a while ago earlier that this is almost a dust-free environment. This ensures that all the plastics that are being produced are actually pure and free from dust. I just saw this part of the factory that all of their machines are equipped with these, and these ensure that they have this exhaust or intake duct. Right? It ensures that it is dust-free. This ensures good quality on every piece of plastic that's been produced from this manufacturing company. Like what I mentioned earlier, being a certified supplier, this attaches great importance to the product's safety, and this aims to bringing out products with a superior quality and competitive price. Now, combining superior quality and competitive price, that steps up and differentiate it from other manufacturers or other brands. Now, Silverlit Company, can you follow me? Silverlit Company specializes in the production of electronic and mechanical plastic toys. They started, I was talking to somebody from this company earlier. They started with remote controlled aerial toys, and as they progressed, they improved their toys, research and development, over 44 years of experience. They're popular in Europe, America, and in Asia for decades. The products have 65 invention patents, 36 utility model patents, and 520 design patents. That's a lot. I noticed one nice toy, and this is called, I want to feature this one, it's called the Robo-Daco. It was recently launched. It's one of the new products that they released, and it won an award of excellence, innovation, and technology, which was sponsored by the Hong Kong Toy Manufacturers Association. Now, not just the Robo-Daco, I just like to mention this. I'd like to note that I was going around, they even got a Guinness Book record holder for that smallest helicopter toy. It was over there. So they have excellent awards. They have numerous awards that are all around this showroom. But let's get back with the Robo-Daco. The Robo-Daco is equipped with AI, which is very interesting. Maybe somebody can do a demo in a bit. It follows the user intelligently and recognizes gesture control for different actions and the functions of simulated, petting. We're gonna know more about that in a bit. And it's making this sound like it's pleasurable. Look at that. It's like a real pet. Look at that. Now it's running away from him. There you go. Now he wants it. Maybe you have to pet it several times, no? There you go. Like a real puppy. Like what I mentioned a while ago, it has sensors in the head as well. There you go, look at that. Being a global leader in the market today, worldwide, Silverlit Company has obtained certifications such as IETP certification, GSV certification, ISO 9001, 2015 certification, and various customer certifications. This includes also 170 invention patents that have been declared, appearance 1383 design patents as well. We're now at the laboratory of Silverlit, and the laboratory is affiliated to Dongguan Silverlit Toys Company Ltd. It covers an area of about 250 square meters, and the experimental area is about 200 square meters. It mainly undertakes the inspection and evaluation tasks of the company's products, components, and raw materials. The laboratory was established in January 2008, and currently they have 15 staff members, including 3 managers. It is equipped with more than 30 kinds of mechanical and physical testing equipment, and including tension meter, torsion meter, drop table, and all those equipment. And now we're at the chemical laboratory. This was founded back in 2009, and this laboratory actually checks for heavy metals. This means that it ensures that the toys are safe for kids. And you know what kids do? Sometimes they put it in their mouth and all that stuff. So this laboratory is responsible for that. I'd just like to note that Silverlit has the CNAS certification, and they had it since 2010. That's like about 12 years ago. Anyway, so let's go ahead and check out the research and development department. They have the mechanical design, software design, electronic engineering, 3D printing area, prototype production. And we're just gonna be going around quickly here. I can see some of the toys that were familiar earlier on. Silverlit R&D department was established around 30 years ago, and it's a collection of creative design, engineering science as one of the new product development platform. The company advocates creative technology for the development goals with the new technology. All right, so we are here right now at the dining hall because one of the important criteria for being a certified supplier is social responsibility. We mainly evaluate how the company takes care of their employees and implement ethical work practices. So right now we're at the dining hall. Can you follow me? And here, as you can see, they have a huge hall mess area where all the employees enjoy their food. This time we're in one of the dormitories. I just want to share with you guys because one of the criteria of being a certified supplier is social responsibility. I'm in one of the dormitories right now, and I can see it's so spacious. It's complete with amenities. Everything is here. So if you follow me, as you can see, we have 4 subdivided quarters. We even have the balcony, and even one of the employees just enjoying his time with his computer.